Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming system readiness and enabling the mic. First, update your Ps5 so voice features behave predictably. Make sure your dual sense or external mic is connected and recognized. Next, open Settings and go to Sound, then Microphone. Select the correct input and set volume so test audio registers. Finally, enable any accessibility voice options if you want streamlined commands. Once done, you're ready to move into configuring voice commands and assigning them for use in games or menus. Now configure actual commands and sensitivity. In Settings, find Voice Control or Accessibility voice shortcuts. Choose language and grant microphone permission to specific apps. Record short, distinct phrases for common actions, like take screenshot, open game base, or start capture, and test them immediately so the system learns your voice patterns. Make sure sensitivity is balanced to avoid false triggers. Lower it if background noise causes issues. Also set privacy options so only approved apps access voice input. This protects you. Finish by testing and adopting best practices for daily use. Try commands across menus and in-game scenarios to confirm consistent behavior. Change phrase wording if something doesn't trigger reliably. If a command fails, first check the mic connection, input selection, and app permissions, then reboot the Ps5 and retest. Also verify network-dependent features are online. If problems persist, toggle voice settings off and on. One key troubleshooting tip: reduce background noise and speak short, distinct phrases. This dramatically improves recognition and reduces false.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.